Hi friends, good evening. Hoping and expecting all are safe and fine. So today's session we are going to discuss how to study smartly, because now 2 months also not left for the examination, and lot of students are demotivated because there are a lot of confusions regarding online examination and offline examination. So at this point what we have to do and how to act, I'm just going to tell here, because this is a life experience. This is not only regarding the examination. So whatever we have to apply, just I will going to discuss here. If you want to achieve something, first of all you require, now I'm speaking about the study, smart study, related to smart study, and I will tell what exactly you have to do at this point. So first, if you want to achieve anything, you require goals, research properly plan, and you have to implementation. At this point we are speaking about the CMA examination. What we have to do, because many students are confused at this time, because there is a confusion regarding the online and offline examination for inter and final, which is happening in the history first time, and it is not at all declared. I have spoken with some members, and all they said it is a rumor and it is not. It will take time. It comes also, we have to accept. Not also, we have to accept. So first of all, I will tell, whatever will happen, you have to accept it. It is online or offline, we have to accept. Already they have to declare, but till now they didn't declare or they didn't send a notification, so it is not confirmed it will go to the online. So let's check before that. Stop worrying whatever will happen online or offline, that will decide. At present we are thinking about that and we are destroying our time. So whenever you want to do smart study, just make your proper goals means, our goal is, we have to become a CMA, we have to complete foundation, inter or final, we have to become a CMA, we have to start the form, such kind of a goals we required. So for that you have to make one goal, that okay, I have to finish it. Don't distract yourself, oh what will happen. So make the proper plan, because I cannot sit and give the plan now, because I don't know how many students are facing in what levels, how much you have completed your preparation and what level you are going. So I really don't know. So you have to sit and make your plan, because a lot of students are completed lot of portion, and some students are not at completed. Some are going for single group, some are going for both the groups, some are working. So how much time you can give, how much can't you can't give. So based on your things, your ability, you have to sit and decide. Common plan only we can give, more than that deeply we cannot give. So keep your plan first, make your goal, you decide first, I have to clear in any cost. Second one, make the proper research it properly and make the proper plan and make it implementation. After that, if we want to go through the smart study at this point, because these 2 months are very important, whatever you study, revision, these are very important. This is a high time, we will call as a high time. So the point how to study in smart way, we require focus, consistency, hard work, smart work. Focus, because if you are sitting 12 hours in front of the book and nothing is going in your head, it is a waste. You have to sit, you have to study like tomorrow you have exam, and that level of concentration you require, and you have to study in that way and go through it. So then only it is very easy to recover. And if you are studying at 12 hours, you are telling I'm studying 12 hours, but it is not completing, it is not going anything inside, then it is a waste. So as per my guidance, I will tell, just sit with the very concentration, high level concentration, how we used to do near the exam time. So you have to sit with the very high level of concentration, focus, consistency. You have to do, today you are doing 12 hours, tomorrow you are doing 6 hours, and you are wasting, it is a waste. Today you are doing 10 hours, 10 hours, but it should be, output should be 100%. That should be effective study, there is nothing lacking. So tomorrow also you have to do that way, day after tomorrow. This way if you are studying, it will be help. So smart work in the CMA course means, you have to go through the module, because I'm not skipping anything here. You have to go through, because if you make your mind, I have to complete means you will complete. If you make mind, I have to do this much only, you will do this much. So I will tell how to do it smart way. Now choice is yours. You have to go through the module. For inter-level peoples, you have to go through the module. You have to check scanner, institute suggested answers, workbook, RTP, MTP. These whatever the institute has provided, first finish it. Question will come from that only. For finals, you require a lot of other books also. whatever your knowledge, whatever you taken the books, like some CAs, other books we used to refer for that. In that basis you have to do your plan, because finals we cannot tell you have to go through the module, because lot of times we won't expect the questions like module only, so we have to refer some other books also for the conceptual clarity and proper things. So I will tell final levels, you make your plan whatever you are studying, because I seen lot of final level students, they will use different books, so you can take that and you can go through it, make your plans, and make the smart study. Because with that, whatever books you are using, with that scanner is compulsory. Whatever institute uploaded their website, that suggested answers are important. Workbook, RTP, MTPs, these are must. So you have to go through it. Whatever module for final levels you are going, I don't know, you are going for the institute or others, that I don't know. So you have to, after your whatever your studies material, whatever the module, after that you have to go through the scanner, suggested answers, RTP, MTP, workbook, whatever you feel very high level, so you have to go through it. Scanner and institute, whatever they have uploaded suggested answer, that is a must. Inter and final also it is a must, so you have to go through it, because you will get to know what kind of questions are coming and how they are drafting. For suggested answer, you will get to know what kind of answer they are expecting from the students, so you have to go through it. So this is the way of smart study. There are a lot of things will come. So finally I will tell the summary of smart study. You have to sit focused, consistency, hard and smart way. Means you cannot make yourself distraction. Keep phone, laptop, whatever distracting things side, and sit as you don't know anything outside. You have to sit and study, because if you see the outside, there are a lot of distraction, because corona, it's increasing only, and it has the different kind of effects, so we will feel distraction. But at this point, what we have option only, we have to sit and study. And there is a clarification till we didn't receive from the institute, that is the exam will go online, offline, that is also confusion. So I will tell whatever will come online or offline, whatever they will clarify, instead of sitting and discussing. Stop that. If it will come any clarification, we will inform you. So please don't take tension about the clarification, like it is, don't take tension yourself, it will be online, offline, what will happen, we will see. You don't sit and think about past, future, whatever the present, you go through it. Think today, whatever you are doing, you are implementing, that is enough. Because anything you want to achieve in your life, you have to sit, instead of thinking fast future and everything, you have to sit and think about present. Today what you are doing, did you completed today's targeted topics and all, and what you did, you have to make that is enough. Don't think about tomorrow or past, because it is a waste of time. Whatever will happen, if it is online, offline, we will accept it and we will make it implementation whatever they are deciding, because we are not here to decide anything such levels, because they are members, they are going to decide. Whatever will come, we will see, we will face the things. So this is it. Please don't waste your time, sit and study, make your plan properly. If you want general plan, please message me, I will make a general plan. But whatever you are studying, scanner and suggested answer must, because it is from the whatever the questions they are drafting and how to answer it. So this, if you get to know, try to make it 4 years or 8 attempts question papers, so it will be easy. Because whatever you are studying, with that you just go through it and you can check, so you will get to know what kind of a question they are drafting. So it will be familiar to you how they are drafting the questions. If online it is coming, till I doubt, because they can't implement it this time. If they are implementing, let's see. If online it is coming, that is a very different procedure. But I think as of now there is no online examination. Let us see what will happen. So this is it. If you have any doubt or queries regarding anything, please drop me message in comment box. I will try to reply whenever I will get time. If you want anything like a regular plan or normals, or how to make inter or final, such kind of a plans, if you have demand about that, please message me or drop your message in comment box, so I will try to make it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. All the best, guys. Don't waste your time and don't think unnecessary things. Just concentrate and study. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.